Hi guys, Sophie Lofi Adventures here. I am here in Miami today. Going to be doing some fishing and I'm scooting around on this scooter to just try and find a really nice fishing spot. And yeah, whatever interesting thing I can find along the way, I'll keep you posted. Let's see if we can catch a fish here today. What I'm gonna do here today is scoot around and see if we can find some cool spots to do some fishing. I'm gonna start here. So far, I'm considering this spot, but I keep looking around and I see everybody keep pulling in some massive seaweed. So I don't know. So I'm gonna scoot around a little bit more and try somewhere. Just past some manatees. Oh, guys, manatees! Let's see. Manatees, guys. Here they are. Oh. They're moving pretty fast. Two of them. Guys, that's so cool. So I'm gonna continue to scoot around and see what other interesting thing I can find. Well, that was the first one. All right. So following this road, according to Google Maps, it's going to take me to the Bal Harbour Beach. And here we are. So I'm not going to take the scooter onto the sand, but here is the beach where you can walk for miles and miles and miles. Let's check out what's going on over here. This is Raccoon Island here. So in a video coming up, I'm going to be doing a kayak, a catch and cook over to an island that's further from here. But this island is filled with raccoon, I heard. So I want to go and check that out in a different video. But let's see if there is, let's see if this is a good spot to try and do some fishing. So with all that scooting around, my line got tangled and it took me a good 2 or 3 business days to untangle, but we're here now, so let's see what's up with the fishing. What's that? Tiny fish. Guys, this is not so safe. I am right under some coconut that looks like they could drop at any moment. Hopefully. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry.
No worries.
Oh no. I'm so sorry. Okay, I need to let this thing down. I keep forgetting. I'm so sorry, sir. Usually adventuring out in the wild where there is no one around. So, you know, You have to see with me. I have to be mindful of so many things right now. Okay, it's on the ground now. But this is the perfect time to have some snacks. Fish bites. No, I'm just kidding. It's the perfect time to have my... Ooh. Ooh. Have some raspberry, blueberry. You want some? Yogurt, blackberry, some honey, and oh, and a little corn flakes. This is so delicious, especially with the corn flakes. Oh my gosh. Guys, I hear you can catch all different kind of fish here. But I'm here just trying to catch any fish at the moment. Okay, heading back to where I started because it seems to be a little bit more active around here, and the seaweed seemed to have washed off a bit. So I'm gonna try here. Oh, fish pecking. Small fish pecking. Oh, there's a lot of small fish right here. This is a lot of tiny fish right here. That's what's been biting on my line. There's a barracuda here. There's a manatee. A lot of them passing by.
Look at the manatee.
Manatee just passed here trying to catch live bait. Woo, catch a big seaweed again. Look here, they're right here. Somebody just catch a snapper. Now go back for him. Go for him. Fish on, guys. Fish on off a small fish. Whoa! Guys, we're gonna release this one. Just catch a little fish. Some more here. Fish on again, small fish. I think I just catch the same fish. Pikey. Ooh, batted. One big fish, one big one. Guys, okay, there is a big fish on there. Ah. No, the snapper. Come big one, not the little one. Come big one, come big one, come big one. There is a big one there. guys. So there's a bunch of fish here and a lot of snapper in it, but I don't know if the big one's gonna bite. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. See? But I'm using shrimp, and I think they would much rather something else. Guys, you know, with all this excitement, I just want to jump in the water, but we're not allowed right here. So I'm going to send my trusty camera down to see what's going on. So there are a lot of pilot fish, some good sized snappers, maybe 10, 12, 14 inch or more, angelfish. Guys, you see that there's a lot of fish on here, and there's some good sized snapper, you know, but I'm not catching them. I need good baits like ballyhoo or stuff. There was a big school of them right here, but no luck. No luck. I'm gonna keep on trying. Look at this. Look at this school right here. Look here. Ooh, but they're kind of small right here. So I managed to catch one of the jack and some of the ballyhoo. So I'm gonna try the jack first. Big. So as soon as I changed the bait, I got a bite, but then the fish got stuck along with the everything. So I don't want to have to burst the line, so I'm just carefully trying, but I'm gonna rest this here and continue to fish with hand line, and hopefully this will come out. And instantly again, I got a fish. I got a bite. All right, guys, we have one. Have one, guys. We have one. We have one. What are you using? Success. All right. Wow. Okay, so that was stuck, and then throw in the line, and instantly, guys, there are a lot of them down there, so I'm gonna see if I can catch some more. 12 basically, so it's a keeper. The size that you're able to take is 10, so this is a nice size. This is a nice size, guys. There's a huge jack trying to catch another good one. Two big jack, yeah. Water is very festive. Jack, there's snapper, there are all sorts of, ooh, there's a stingray too. There's a really big stingray right here. Whoa, so cool. Woo. That's a big parrotfish. Guys, I'm pointing out, but I'm not sure if you're able to see it on the camera. I'm not able to see the screen properly, but from where I am looking, it's very clear. I can see everything. Did my nails last night to come fishing. Yeah. Oh, that one was a big one. It's that one that was probably a 18 inch. Damn! Right, to switch the bait from the jack to the ballyhoo, because that was the last piece. So I'm gonna try again. Hopefully I'll get lucky with another big snapper. That was like an 18 or a 17 inch. But I didn't realize that the drag was so tight. I'm gonna hope that that fish will bite again. Okay. Fish on again, fish on again, fish on. All right, one more, guys. This is a This one is a 10. A 10-incher. So I'm gonna might keep this one. But the one that got away was way, way bigger. So I'm gonna try again one more time. 10. Check this walk out. That's my happy fish walk. Oh, and the snapper and the line that was stuck on the water, it came loose. The hook and the sinker and everything was intact still, but the fish got away, which is fine. Wow, look at that big one. Woo! Fish! Fish on, guys, fish on. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Small snapper. This one is undersized. And this is it for me. It has been fun as always. Wow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.